As I sit here on January 1, 2025, reflecting on my reign as King of Norway since 1991, I am filled with gratitude and a deep sense of responsibility. My journey as monarch began at a time of great change, both in Norway and around the world. The Cold War was ending, Europe was redefining itself, and the role of monarchy in modern democracies was evolving. I embraced these challenges, determined to serve my people with dedication and adapt the monarchy to the needs of the 21st century. I was born on February 21, 1937, as the son of Crown Prince Olav and Crown Princess Martha. My early years were marked by the turmoil of World War II, when my family fled to the United States to escape the Nazi occupation of Norway. Those formative years taught me resilience and instilled in me a profound respect for the values of democracy, freedom, and peace. When my father, King Olav V, passed away in 1991, I ascended the throne, fully aware of the weight of responsibility that comes with the crown. From the very beginning of my reign, I prioritized connecting with the Norwegian people. I traveled extensively across the country, from the fjords of the west to the icy expanses of Svalbard. Listening to the concerns, hopes, and dreams of my fellow Norwegians has been a cornerstone of my kingship. I have always believed that a monarch's role is to unite and inspire, and I have strived to embody these principles every day. Norway has undergone remarkable changes during my reign. In 1991, our economy was heavily reliant on oil and gas. Over the years, I have witnessed our nation diversify its economy and invest in sustainable energy and innovation. As a keen advocate for environmental stewardship, I have supported initiatives to combat climate change and preserve Norway's natural beauty. The oceans, in particular, hold a special place in my heart, and I have championed efforts to protect marine ecosystems and promote sustainable fishing practices. One of the most challenging moments of my reign came on July 22, 2011, when Norway experienced the darkest day in its modern history. The terrorist attacks in Oslo and Utøya claimed the lives of 77 people, many of them young. As a nation, we mourned together, and I sought to provide comfort and strength to my people. In the aftermath, I was deeply moved by the resilience, compassion, and solidarity displayed by Norwegians. We emerged from that tragedy with a renewed commitment to democracy, openness, and love. Family has always been at the heart of my life. My marriage to Queen Sonja has been a source of unwavering support and joy. Together, we have raised two wonderful children, Crown Prince Haakon and Princess Martha Louise. Haakon, in particular, has taken on an increasingly prominent role in recent years, preparing to carry forward the legacy of the Norwegian monarchy. I am confident in his ability to lead with wisdom and compassion. Throughout my reign, I have sought to adapt the monarchy to the modern age. I believe in transparency and accessibility, and I have worked to ensure that the royal house remains relevant in a rapidly changing society. The monarchy is not about power but about service, and I have endeavored to be a symbol of stability and unity for Norway. As I look to the future, I am optimistic about Norway's prospects. We are a nation that values equality, innovation, and sustainability. Our strong sense of community and shared purpose will guide us through the challenges ahead. For me, the journey as king has been one of profound privilege and responsibility. I am deeply grateful for the trust and affection of the Norwegian people, and I will continue to serve them with all my heart for as long as I am able. In these reflections, I see not just my story, but the story of Norway, a resilient, forward-thinking nation with a bright future.